Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Photopea on Windows step by step. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, Photopea is a powerful online photo editor that works directly in your web browser without installing any software. First, turn on your Windows computer and open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, go to **Photopea.com and wait for the editor to load. When the home page appears, click **File and choose **New** to create a new project, or click **File** and open * to edit an existing image from your computer. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Photopea window. Photopea supports many formats, including PSD, JPG, PNG, SVG, PDF, XD, Sketch, and more. The toolbar on the left contains all the editing tools you'll need, including the Move tool, Crop tool, Brush tool, Text tool, Shape tool, and Selection tools. On the right side, you'll find the Layers panel, where you can manage layers, apply effects, and organize your design. You can edit photos, remove backgrounds, add text, create YouTube thumbnails, logos, banners, social media graphics, and much more. Use adjustment layers to change brightness, contrast, saturation, and colors without permanently affecting the original image. When you've finished editing, click **File** and save as PSD** if you want to keep your project editable. To create a final image, click **File**, export as **, choose a format like **PNG** or JPG, adjust the quality if needed, and click Save *** to download the file to your Windows computer. If Photopea runs slowly, try closing unused browser tabs, clearing your browser cache, or using a modern browser with hardware acceleration enabled for better performance. And that's how you can use Photopea on